Before buying grill mats, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Aerocan Grill Mat Set. The Aerocan Grill Mat Set caught my eye right away, especially with its affordable price of $13.98 for 5 mats. If you want to keep your grill grates clean without any hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-temperature resistant material protects your grill from oils and food residues even during intense cooking. Plus, cleaning is a breeze, just wipe it down with a damp cloth or rinse it off. Now, some people complained about the mats not being dishwasher safe, which might frustrate some users. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a quick hand wash, then this really isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love grilling frequently and want an economical and effective solution. Skip this one if you prefer a mat that can go straight into the dishwasher for cleaning. At just $13.98, the value is solid. Now, if the dishwasher issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LOOCH Barbecue Mesh Grill Mat. The LOOCH Barbecue Mesh Grill Mat Set is another great option at $13.49. What stood out is that these mats allow smoke to circulate for enhanced flavor. If you want to enjoy that smoky barbecue taste without the mess, this might be for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These heavy-duty mesh mats work on any grill type and can be reused over 100 times. The non-stick feature means food won't get greasy, which is perfect for a cleaner grilling experience. Plus, they're certified safe with no harmful materials, so you can grill with peace of mind. Some users mentioned that the mats can lose their non-stick quality over time. But honestly, for the price and how often you can use them, that's not a deal breaker for casual grillers who just want to enjoy their food without the hassle. This is perfect for you if you love grilling a variety of foods, including veggies and fish. Skip this one if you only grill large cuts of meat, since you might prefer a solid surface. For $13.49, you're getting solid performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit thicker. Product number 3, Renook Grill Mat Set. Next up is the Renook Grill Mat Set, priced at $13.59. This one is interesting because it's designed to be thick enough for durability while still letting grill marks shine through. If you want the best of both worlds, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Users love that they can be cut to fit any grill size, which adds to their versatility. However, some users found the mats to be a bit thinner than expected, which frustrated them. But here's the thing, that thinner design allows for better heat transfer, which helps achieve those perfect grill marks you crave. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mat that fits your grill perfectly. Skip this one if you prefer a thicker mat for more protection. At $13.59, the flexibility you get is worth it. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more heat resistance, check this out. Product number 4, WIBIMEN Copper Grill Mats. The WIBIMEN grill mats are next on the list, coming in at $16.99 for a set of 7. The copper color caught my eye and the zero-stick feature is enticing. If you want to grill anything without mess, this might be your go-to. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These mats withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees F, ensuring you can grill without fear of burning. The non-stick surface means you can cook everything from meat to pancakes with ease. Plus, they're reusable and can be cut to size, making them quite practical for your grilling needs. Some users reported that the copper color might fade after several uses, which could be a concern for aesthetics. But honestly, as long as they perform well, that shouldn't be a deal breaker for most grill lovers. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of foods to grill and want something with high heat resistance. Skip this one if you're only cooking a few things at a time. The $16.99 price tag offers good value for the number of mats you get. Alright, the last product is for those who want a larger protective solution for outdoor grilling. Product number 5, FIREWSS Large Grill Mat. Finally, we have the FIREWSS Large Grill Mat priced at $19.96. This mat is designed for serious grillers with its 30x 48-inch size. If you're looking to protect your outdoor area while grilling, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double-sided silicone coating provides fireproof and waterproof protection up to 2000 degrees F. It keeps your grill area clean and safe from any spills or drips, making your outdoor experience much more enjoyable. Plus, the cleanup is easy, just rinse it off and you're done. However, some users found it a bit cumbersome to store due to its size. But here's the thing, that size is perfect for those who host frequent barbecues and need extra protection. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your outdoor grilling and want to keep everything tidy. Skip this one if you have limited storage space. At $19.96, it's a worthwhile investment for larger gatherings. So there you have it. The Aerocan Grill Mat is fantastic for everyday use. The LOOCH Barbecue Mesh Mat adds flavor without mess. The Renook Mat balances thickness and performance. The WIBIMEN Copper Mats provide versatility, and the FIREWSS Large Mat protects your space like a champ. Choose based on your specific needs and happy grilling.